Hi there, students. Doyen and Doyenne. Notice one just ends in N and the other one ends in NNE. Okay, a doyen is a noun. Okay. We use this word in English, a doyen, to talk about the oldest, most senior, most respected person involved in a particular type of work. So it's my ambition to be the doyen of all English teachers. Notice doyen should be used for a man and doyenne as well for a woman. So if it ends NNE, it's feminine. Let's see, you can also use it for just a very senior or a very respected member of a group. Yeah, somebody who's got much more experience than anyone else, or than most other ordinary people. Maybe you could say Kate Adie is a doyenne of the doyenne of British war reporters, for example. Okay, so this is a senior person, the eldest or most senior member of a group, and then more colloquially, well, it's still a pretty formal word, I wouldn't use this colloquially, I think, a leading light, somebody who's particularly important. So, I don't know, maybe you could say Ronaldo is a doyen of football, or maybe Pele was a doyen of football. Somebody who's really, really important. Yeah, not necessarily the top, but somebody who's very representative of a movement. So, I don't know, Picasso is a doyen of art, or a doyen of the Cubist movement, for example. Or I don't know. Beethoven is a doyen of classical music. Yeah, somebody who's really, really important in that field. Okay, it's saying this person is highly respected. Let's see, a doyen technically is the senior ambassador in a country. Yeah, he's the head of the diplomatic corps. So and the doyen has very high status. He's the highest diplomatic representative in a country, yeah? But that itself is very, very technical. So, doyen, how formal is this? This is a formal word. I'm going to give it a 7.5, 8 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal or formal writing. Use it to mean a very important person within this field. I don't know, Copernicus was a doyen in astronomy, for example. Einstein is another scientific doyen. Yeah. Okay, people who are leaders of their group. The Roux brothers were Roux were doyens of British restaurateurs. Although they were French, they worked in the UK. Okay, so a doyen, somebody who is a really good example within their class. Technically, it means senior as well. Okay, as to origin, well, this word is linked directly to the word dean. The dean of the college, he's the most senior member of staff. Yeah, and let's see, this word doyen, both ending in N and doyenne ending NNE, comes from French, which itself comes from Latin decanus. Yeah, And I think a decanus or a decem was the leader or the commander in charge of 10 men, like a squad leader. You could have a centurion in charge of 100 and a doyen in charge of 10, but that's obsolete and old-fashioned. Okay, so yes, it's definitely my ambition to be the doyen, the only one, of English teaching. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Doyen and Doyenne.